A driver of a JCB excavator lost his life on the evening of September 19th when a mudslide submerged his vehicle with him seated inside. The victim, General C.H. Momin, was working on cutting earth from a low hill when the entire hill collapsed on him. He was working on moving earth for the construction of a road in the village of Gaswapara. Local residents who witnessed the incident immediately rushed to help him with another excavator, even joining in the rescue act. However, it took a while before he was brought out of the mud pile, and despite attempts to resuscitate him, the victim passed away of asphyxiation. Confirming the incident, the Superintendent of Police South Garo Hills, Rituraj Ravi, informed that the victim was brought dead to the local PHC in Gazwapara.